Dear students, audible my voice? నా వాయిస్ వినిపిస్తుందమ్మా? వాయిస్ వినిపిస్తుందా? Yes, okay, right. So tell me, make unmute and tell me the reply. Unmute చేసుకోండి అమ్మా, unmute చేసుకొని చెప్పండి. Anyone? Yes. Right. Okay. Yes. Okay. Right. So in the last class we have discussed that the network theorem. In that in the last class we have discussed that superposition theorem. Okay. So remaining theorems we will discuss, and also I was sent the notes of network theorem first unit. Okay. In that active element T network, pi network, and some theorems I will send now. So now today we will discuss one more theorem. So it's one of the easiest theorem. Okay. Superposition theorem is over. Maximum power theorem. In that in the last class, just in the last derivation is left, that is we will discuss. Okay. Maximum power transfer theorem. Okay. Maximum power transfer theorem. Okay, maximum power transfer theorem. In that you see, so we have calculated the current I is equal to, so according to Ohm's law, what we have, V is equal to, okay, Ohm's law, what we have, V is equal to IR. I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V by R. So V is nothing but the battery is given and divided by resistance. What is the resistance? The internal resistance Ri plus RL. This is the current flowing through the circuit. Now power, the definition, the rate of change of work done is nothing but power. Now in this dielectric power we can write as I square. I square means here we will take small I. Okay, I square RL, because load resistance is outside. Okay, in the outside, you see this equation 1, and this is power is nothing but equation 2. So substitute equation 1 in equation 2. Okay, substitute equation 1 in equation 2. Okay, just a minute, right. So next you see, in this power P is equal to, we can write I square. I is nothing but what we have. Inkokatama, all of you take your rough notes pen along with you, do the derivation along with me. So అందరు మీరు పెన్ నోట్బుక్ మీ దగ్గర పెట్టుకోండి, బికాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద మ్యాథమెటికల్ అనాలిసిస్, బికాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద థీరమ్స్. కాబట్టి మనము థీరమ్స్ నాతో పాటు మీరు చేయాలి. కాబట్టి యూ జస్ట్ టేక్ యువర్ రఫ్ నోట్స్ అండ్ పెన్ along with you. So here you see the current I, right? Current I, the power P is equal to I square RL. I is nothing but E by RL plus RI. Okay, E by RL plus RI whole square, I square RL. Okay, whole square RL. Now maximum power transformation, maximum power transformation, maximum power transfer. Transformation means that maximum power transformation means the power is transformed through the circuit, the rate of change of power with respect to the load resistance. So that's why dP by DRL is equal to load resistance is equal to 0. dP by DRL is equal to 0 cheyali, right? dP by DRL is equal to 0. So D by DRL into, instead of P, what is P? This we have to write. So what is that? E square by RL plus RI whole square into RL is equal to 0. Write down. It is easy and it is a derivation. Okay. So now for derivation, you see. So for this derivation, you see. So RL by RL plus RI, that is nothing but U by V method. Okay, derivation is nothing but U by V method, right? U by V method we have to use. Okay, I will take next one. U by V method means, so E square keep outside, E square. Okay, here you see U by V. Here RL is there, no? RL. This is U and this is V, U by V, right? So that we will discuss. So E square keep outside, denominator V square. V square means RL plus RI, RL plus RI. Already whole square is there, again whole square. Okay, whole square, right? So U into V dash. U into V dash. So that means here you see V U dash means sorry, V into U dash. U dash means RL by RL is 1. So kabatti మిగిలింది RL plus RI whole square. So RL plus RI whole square into DRL by DRL minus, okay, DRL by RL minus, okay. So I will write here, you see, on the numerator, the differentiation of RL plus RI whole square. First, the RL is there, you keep as it is. So x power of n differentiation n into x power of n minus 1. The same method here you see. Here what we have, n into, instead of n what we have 2. 2 into RL plus RI 2 minus 1 into DRL by DRL is equal to 0. Like this you write it. ఈ విధంగా రాయండి అమ్మా. Right? So what is the remaining? E square into, in this, RL plus RI whole square minus 2RL into RL plus RI whole power of 1. 1 అంటే అదే విధంగా ఉంటుంది, divided by RL plus RI whole power of 4 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So కానీ మనకేంటి, E is not equal to 0. E is not equal to 0. That implies whatever the bracket term is there, that is equal to 0. Right? Since E is not equal to 0, E square, in fact, E square is not equal to 0. That implies the numerator, the next term is equal to 0. That means what we have, RL plus RI, RL plus RI ఇక్కడ చూడండి, RL plus RI whole square, okay, RL plus RI whole square, right, minus 2RL plus RI whole divided by RL plus RI whole power of 4 is equal to 0. ఇది మిగులుతుందమ్మా. సో ఎట్ దట్ టైం ఈ డినామినేటర్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది కదా, క్యాన్సిల్ చేయండి. డినామినేటర్ క్యాన్సిల్ చేయండి. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఇక్కడ ఏమున్నది చూడండి, RL plus RI, RL plus RI 1. ఓకే, లేదంటే మళ్ళీ ఒక స్టెప్, one more step. Just a minute, I will change this one. One more step. What in the numerator, RL plus RI take common. What you will get, RL plus RI. Okay, here 1 is gone. Minus 2RL. Minus 2RL is equal to, I will write small, minus 2RL is equal to 0 కదా. సో అప్పుడు ఇది క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది కదా, క్యాన్సిల్ చేయండి. మళ్ళీ ఏం మిగులుతుంది, RI మిగులుతుంది ప్లస్ RL minus 2RL is equal to 0. RL minus means RI minus RL is equal to 0, or that implies RL is equal to RI. ఇదే కదా maximum power transfer theorem proof. Okay, so this is the maximum power transfer theorem, hence the theorem is proved. Okay, hence the theorem is proved. Okay, so initially you see from the first I will tell you. So the maximum power transfer theorem is nothing but the rate of change of, okay, when internal resistance of a source is equal to load resistance, when the maximum power transfer from source to load resistance, that is we called as maximum power transfer theorem statement. In that the according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. I is equal to what we can write, V by R.
Hello sir.
చెప్పమ్మా.
సార్ స్క్రీన్ కనిపిస్తలేదు.
స్క్రీన్ కనిపిస్తలేదా? వై? జస్ట్ a minute. Now ఇప్పుడు
నో సార్.
No, just a minute. I will share again. Okay, now I will share now. Okay, ఇప్పుడు ఉందమ్మా. Right. So the rate of change of power. Okay. So I is equal to V by R. So I is equal to V is nothing but E by R. So RL plus RI. Just me చేయాల్సింది ఏంటి, power is equal to I square RL. I square means E by RL plus RI. Okay, whole square, E square the whole square into RL. Then you have to take next dP by the rate of change of load resistance, power with respect to load resistance. This is equal to 0 అని చూపించి RL is equal to RI అని చూపిస్తే proof. Okay, so that I have given notes already, just you follow that one. Okay, so This is the maximum power transfer theorem. And come to the next theorem, one of the very, very important, just you see. So I will send just a minute. Okay. So now Thevenin's theorem, all of you write down Thevenin's theorem. That Thevenin's theorem says any two-terminal network, okay, any two-terminal network containing source and impedance, okay, containing source and impedance, containing source and impedance, and linear impedances, okay, containing source and impedance and linear impedances, okay, any network containing, okay, source means battery, impedance means the resistance, and linear impedance. Okay, okay, that's a linear impedance containing voltage source series with the impedance, that is Z Thevenin's, okay, containing the voltage source, okay. Thevenin's theorem ante Thevenin's and Norton untadamma, same, any two terminal network, okay, any two terminal network containing, okay, containing source and impedance and linear impedances can be replaced by equivalent, okay, equivalent circuit, okay, containing a voltage source, containing voltage source, right, containing voltage source series with the impedance, that is the Z Thevenin's, that you have to remember, okay. Just a minute, I will share the board. So visible board కనిపిస్తుందమ్మా? Is it visible? Yes. So that means yes, okay. So now E Thevenin's, okay, E Thevenin's in series, okay, in series with the impedance Z Thevenin's, TH అంటే Thevenin's, Thevenin's theorem కాబట్టి TH అని రాస్తాము, okay. So all of you take your rough notes and do this derivation. One of the very, very important repeated question this is, state and prove Thevenin's theorem అని అడుగుతాడు. So కాబట్టి proof, in that proof, so this is the proof. In this proof the circuit is like this, okay, this is the battery, right, this is the one more impedance Z1, this is the one more impedance in this network, okay, here not, here in between this is nothing but Z Thevenin's, right, and here ZL, this is Z2, Z1, impedance is nothing but R, the battery is E. So the current in this one is I1, the current in the second one is I2, okay, I1, I2. So the total resistance, if you observe in the loop, the total resistance is nothing but, here you see R is the, just a minute, I will, just a minute. So R is the, okay, linear impedances Z1, Z2, okay, they are connected in series. So total resistance R is equal to what? In series if you connect, so R1 plus R2 plus R3, the total resistance we can write as, I will write it clearly, total resistance R is equal to, total resistance R is equal to small r plus Z1, Randy, plus Z1 plus Z2, right? Z1 plus Z2. Therefore, the current I is equal to, so according to Ohm's law, what we can write? I is equal to, okay, I is equal to what we can write? I is equal to current is equal to V is equal to IR. I is equal to V by R. V by R. Instead of V, what is the voltage here? E. What is the resistance, total resistance in this first loop? R plus Z1 plus Z3. R plus Z1 plus Z2. Okay. R plus Z1 plus Z2. Therefore, E Thevenin's. Therefore, E Thevenin's is equal to, మనం క్యాల్కులేట్ చేయాల్సింది E Thevenin's కదా. E Thevenin's is equal to current into I into impedance. Okay, I into impedance. What is the impedance here in between? It is nothing but Z2. Therefore, the current is nothing but this one. So write down, you substitute in this equation. So we will get E Thevenin's is equal to, right? E Thevenin's is equal to, E Thevenin's is equal to, the current is nothing but E by R, just a minute, small r plus Z1, down small r plus Z1 plus Z2, small r Z1 plus Z2 into the resistance is Z2. So this is the E Thevenin's we are calculated. Okay, this is we are calculated E Thevenin's. Next subheading vettandi, Z Thevenin's we have to calculate. Evaluation of Z Thevenin's. Okay, Z Thevenin's. Okay, Z Thevenin's evaluation. లేదంటే you write down evaluation of Z Thevenin's. Okay, Z Thevenin's ఇంపిడెన్స్ అన్నట్టు. మనకు చూడండి ఇంపిడెన్స్ అంటే ఎట్లా ఉంటది, ఇది ఒక రెసిస్టెన్స్, బ్యాటరీ ఉండదు, ఇక్కడ Z1 and here Z2. Okay, this one Z1, this is Z2, this is R. Okay, in between idanta Z Thevenin's annattu, right? So what is the here, if you observe, okay, this Z1 and R is connected in series. Okay, Z equivalent is equal to R plus Z1. Okay, సిమిలర్లీ ఈ రెండు కలిసి Z2 తో ఎట్లా ఉన్నాయంటే ప్యారలల్ గా ఉన్నాయి. సో 1/Z Thevenin's, లేదంటే మళ్ళీ ఇట్లా రాసుకుంటే Z Thevenin's ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు Z ఈక్వలెంట్. ఓకే, Z ఈక్వలెంట్ ప్యారలల్ టు Z2 రాసుకోండి అమ్మా, ప్యారలల్ టు. ఇవి రెండు సిరీస్ లో ఉన్నాయమ్మా. ఇది ఇక్కడ మనం రాసేస్తే ఈ Z2 చేత ఈ రెండు ఎట్లా ఉంటాయి, ప్యారలల్. Okay, these are the series. Then this equivalent resistance or impedance is parallel to the Z2. Kabatti parallel to Z2. రాసుకోండి. Next, come to this one. How we can write? So manaku Z Thevenin's is equal to 1/Z2 plus 1/Z equivalent. Okay, so 1/Z Thevenin's is equal to 1/Z2. Okay, 1/R1 plus 1/R2 plus 1/equivalent means 1/Z1 plus R. Z1 plus R. Okay, Z1 plus R. Now you take the LCM. Z2 into Z1 plus R. రాస్తున్నారమ్మా, రాయండి మీరు, రాస్తేనే మీకు ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. రైట్, సో you cross multiply this side, Z1 plus R plus Z2, 1/Z Thevenin's. So Z Thevenin's is equal to U by V కదా, Z2 into Z1 plus R whole divided by Z1 plus Z2 plus R. This is the evaluation of Z Thevenins. Okay, this is the evaluation of Z Thevenins. Okay, రాసుకోండి Z Thevenins. So this side, if you observe E, okay, this is the proof. In this proof, E R plus Z1 Z2, the current in this first loop is I1, current in the second loop is this one. The resistance is nothing but you see R is equal to totally, because here you see in the previous case these two are series and this is parallel, but here ఇక్కడ ఏం కనెక్ట్ చేసినాము, బ్యాటరీ is connected, that's why they three are connected in series. కాబట్టి ఇవి మూడు ఎట్లా ఉంటాయి, సిరీస్ లో కనెక్ట్ చేసి ఉంటాయి. సిరీస్ లో కనెక్ట్ చేస్తే the resultant is nothing but R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. okay, so కాబట్టి R plus Z1 plus Z2, so R plus Z1 plus Z2, I is equal to V by R. Instead of V, what is we have battery? E by R. Therefore, Thevenin's voltage E Thevenin's is equal to I into impedance. I into impedance means I is nothing but E by R. So Z. Next, evaluation of Z Thevenin's. ఈ రెండు ఎట్లా ఉన్నాయి మనకు, ఈ రెండు R plus R మరియు Z1 లు ఎట్లా ఉన్నాయి, సిరీస్ గా ఉన్నాయి. సిరీస్ గా ఉన్నాయంటే మనం ఏం చెప్తాము, R plus Z1. ఓకే, సో R plus Z1 తీసుకున్నప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, ఇది Z2 కదా, సో R plus Z1. మళ్ళీ టోటల్ ఏమవుతుంది, Z Thevenin's is equal to Z equivalent parallel to this one. ఈ రెండు ఇట్లా కనెక్ట్ చేస్తే దీని చివరల మరియు దీని చివరల, parallel means all end points are connected to one point, all starting points are connected to another point. That is nothing but the parallel. ఈ రెండు parallel గా ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి parallel కి ఏంటి ఈక్వేషన్, 1/R1 is equal to 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, like that. సో దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేయడం. నౌ ఈక్వలెంట్ సర్క్యూట్ గీయాలి మనం. ఈక్వలెంట్ సర్క్యూట్ ఎట్లా, ఓకే, ఈక్వలెంట్ సర్క్యూట్, రైట్. ఈక్వలెంట్ సర్క్యూట్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ E Thevenin's, ఓకే, E Thevenin's, right, in this replaced by Z Thevenin's, okay, in between A and in between B, okay, this is the load resistance ZL. Now E Thevenin's is equal to, right, this is the equivalent circuit, okay, this is the equivalent circuit of the Thevenin's circuit, Thevenin's equivalent circuit, okay, Thevenin's equivalent circuit. So E Thevenin's is equal to E by E into Z2, E into Z, just a minute, ఇవన్నీ రబ్ చేస్తాను, E into Z2 by R plus Z1 plus Z2, okay. Similarly, Z Thevenin's is equal to Z1 plus R Z2 by Z1 plus Z2 plus R. ఈ విధంగా మనకు Z Thevenin's అనేది ఈక్వలెంట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, రాసుకోండి. You note down till up to this one. So hence proved. Similarly, we will discuss in the next class that the Norton theorem. Okay. Right, Amma? So still, any doubt, please ask me.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Right. Still any doubts, please ask me. Otherwise, I will stop here. Tomorrow we will discuss the next. So I think almost all topics we are covered. Okay. Even notes also I was given. So all of you write your record, eighth paper record. So anytime if you want to come to the college, bring your records for correction. Okay, anytime I will available in the college from 10 to 4:30. So still any doubts or any clarification, you ask me, or otherwise I will wind up. So no doubts. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి అమ్మా, లేదంటే వైండ్ అప్ చేసేస్తాను.